Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to parameterize FTP test in JMeter. See, in the previous video I explained how to add that FTP request into JMeter and how we can able to provide a username and password, how we can able to get and put that file back to that particular location in server, FTP server, correct? The same way we are going to doing for here. We just adding for one CSV file, and that CSV file we are going to set some data, and that data we are going to doing for some FTP request in the put request place. Then we are going to run and validating that request whether it is updating or not. Okay, and here we just this is one server, the new one which I found from Google. This is a free one and I will provide you that username and password. You can able to see this is also okay. And once you done, this is the one name we need to get it from there. Okay, and just I'm going to mine here, and I'm going to test plan, and here I'm adding for thread group. Inside the thread group I'm just adding for one HTTP request, sample HTTP request, sorry, not HTTP request, it's FTP request, sampler FTP request. Then just I'm going to add one listener. In that FTP request we need to specify that server, this is my server, and username, password. Okay, and I need to specify the which is the file we are going to doing. The file I'm going to copy pasting file name and putting back here, and I need to add for my local where I can able to add it, the bin folder, an example, and here I'm coming, I'm just copy pasting this location, and I'm providing the same name. Okay, in the get operation whether it is working or not we'll see. And here I'm going to hit, now HTTP request is done, and we can able to see there is a file it is presented. Okay, now this file I'm going to keeping this SSV sample users. Okay, with the parameterization purpose I'm just adding one file. uh, my file name this one, the same file name I'm going to adding here. Okay, again one more name here I'll put for one. Okay, I'll put for one, and I'm just closing this one. Name is the my header is there. Okay, I have to keep it my header. Shit. And bin folder example, and here I have to save it. Okay, just I closed Okay, now I'm coming to the FTP and just I'm going to add for config element, that is CSV dataset config element, and keeping top, and here we need to specify that my CSV file where it is coming, correct? Just I'm taking for my examples place, and here CSV user. Okay, and then I coming to keep one more FTP request. Oh, sorry, I'll keep this one as a duplicate one. Okay, now here put operation. I'm just adding this file name as parameterization. For that we need to do for dollar brace and name is the one, and again closing. Okay, and again I'm doing for this one and view result place and removing this log. One is get operation and another one is put operation. Okay, put operation place we are taking for parameterization, and get operation we are just for adding the file. Okay, I'm just run this one. We'll see get operation is success, then put operation also success. 200 it is given, and just we can able to go ahead and see here. Still it is not refreshed the server. Otherwise we can able to see here the file name as 1. Okay, the file name is 1, we can able to see here. I'm not sure why it is not updating here, but we can able to see here the file name, because here we saw that FTP request is given 200, the request it is came, correct? The file it is taken exact which we provided, and text one should take. One more time we'll establish whether it is still it is not updating, but it should work because it is taking that entire thing, and response also it is done the body, but it is not giving the what exactly the file is updated, but perfectly it will update the file into that remote session. Okay, and this way we can able to do it for parameterization, that name and the file value, and we can able to send back to that FTP server side. And this is simple format for parameterization, that file name and all, and we can able to use n number of files into a CSV file name place, and we can able to rotate that thread group in multiple time, then we can able to send it to that server with the parameterization the value. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.